To everyone, today I am going to take class on material calculation for cement concrete M20 grade. M20 grade means the ratio will be 1:1.5:3. Material calculation for cement concrete M20 grade. So M20 equal to 1:0.5:3. So first 1 is proportion of cement, 1.5 is proportion of sand, that is fine aggregate. Then 3 is proportion of gravel, it is coarse aggregate. Now the total parts will be calculated as 1 plus 1.5 plus 3. So is equal to 2.5 plus 3, 5.5. Total parts is equal to 5.5. Now we are going to calculate cement concrete. One meter cube, that is wet volume. For 1 meter cube of concrete wet volume, we need 1.57 meter cube of dry volume. If the coarse aggregate is 20 mm or 1.52 meter cube of dry volume, in case of 40 mm aggregate, coarse aggregate, now we are going to take quantity of cement is equal to proportion of cement, that is 1 divided by total parts 5.5 into the dry volume. Now we are going to take 20 mm aggregate. So now the proportion is 1.57, that is here I took 1.57, I am taking 20 mm aggregate. Now we need to calculate, total is 0.285 meter cube. Okay. We can't say the cement quantity in meter cube, so we need to convert it into number of bags. Okay, so 1 meter cube is equal to 1440 kg. That is 1 meter cube of cement is equal to 1440 kg. So now we convert 0.285 into 1440. It is into kg. It is around 411 kg. Now we convert kg into number of bags. So for that purpose I need to divide 50. 411 divided by 50. I will get 8.22 bags. So we can't say it is in decimal, so we can take 9 bags. Now we need to calculate second part, quantity of fine aggregate. So here I am using sand as a fine aggregate. Now I am going to take proportion of sand. Here the proportion of sand will be 1.5 divided by 5.5 into 1.57. The same will be taken. Okay, so we are taking 20 mm coarse aggregate. So for that purpose we are going to multiply 1.57 into that proportion. Now we will get 0.428 meter cube. Now quantity of gravel, that is coarse aggregate, 3 divided by 5.5 into 1.57. Here the value will be 0.856 meter cube. So as we got a quantity of cement is equal to 9 bags, sand is equal to 0.428, gravel is equal to 0.856. It is in meter cube. So this is the result we got for M20 grade. Thank you.